Hey guys, it's Char with Positive Energy. We're at this beautiful park and it's really windy and pretty today. I'm with Eva and Raphael, my daughter and husband. I really wanted to go up. Whew, I hope that wind is a nice, relaxing sound for you. And this is one of my favorite trees here. Beautiful wise tree, and I encourage you, especially like always really, but before and during and after the autumnal equinox on the 21st, I believe it is, to earthing. Put your hands on trees if you can. And just really ground yourself by getting in touch with the energy of the tree, which goes into the ground and the earthing. And it's really a transformative time, the autumnal equinox, and it's good to stay grounded during this time of transformation that often happens. So I also encourage you to go barefoot on the grass a little bit. Just get in touch with the earth, especially this time of year. And there's my husband and Eva, swinging, having a good time. It was just so beautiful. I wanted to do a quick little film. And hope everyone's doing well. Katie from the Weather Shaman and I are going to do a collab. We weren't able to do it back in the summer like we wanted to in person. But we are doing a Zoom collab for the autumnal equinox. So one for her channel, one for mine. We're going to have that up by Wednesday evening. I'm very excited to do that with Katie. If you haven't checked her out, she's on Weather Shaman. And yeah, I'm going to go play with them a little, and then I'm going to take you guys on a little walk in this just beautiful evening here. Saturday evening. Hope everyone's doing well. Try to get into nature, take some breaths, get some good high vibes. Here's Eva again on the slide. I encourage you guys to do something fun and playful. Get in touch with your inner child. Right, Eva? Go down the slide. Nice. Or go on some swings. And guys, I'm going to leave Eva and Raphael for a few moments, and I want to take you on this really beautiful little walk. This place is a farm, but it's also like a park. So, got the beautiful path here. And there's lots of paths. Like you could like hike and walk around here a lot. There's many, many paths. We have a little bridge. I'm trying to do this before it gets too dark to see. And we have a little, oh, the stream is dried up. Okay. Yeah, Texas has been having a drought, even though we got rain the last 3-4 weeks a lot. There's the stream bed. Oh, there's some just gorgeous trees here. We have a beautiful sunset. Let me see, I think this way. There's a right path and a left path. Follow your intuition, everyone. Go with your gut to left, right, which way to go. And again, that's actually a really good thing for the equinox coming up. Follow your intuition, do some self-reflection. But we'll talk more about that. Katie and I are going to talk more about that on Wednesday. no matter what you're doing now, if you're this evening, morning, night, hope you can just come on this little walk and try to be in the moment with me. Forget the to-do list, any stress or anxiety, and just go a little walk. There's some insects actually here. There's lots of frogs and insects, of course. And try to just, go on this little walk with me, be in the moment. Listen to the ASMR crunchy sounds. Oh, I'm feeling pulled to this beautiful hike. This beautiful tree. If you can do both hands, it's always good. And just try to imagine your energy flowing into the tree and down to the roots, connecting with the core of the earth. And then even back up and into you. This is cool. We have left, center, and right. I should do a choose your own video, like those choose your own adventure books, and do a video for each, and then I would get some good amount of walking in. Like, do you want the left, middle, or right? I happen to really like, actually, you know what? I'm gonna go in the middle path. I tend to like going this way, but these are some beautiful trees here. I wasn't expecting to walk today, so I'm in flip-flops, which is actually easy for earthing. So. So if any of you are doing anything for the autumnal equinox, leave it in the comments what you're up to this week. The evening after I do the collab with Katie, that evening I'm going to my first like shamanic drum. It's like they're calling it a shamanic journey, and there's drumming, and you're supposed to bring comfortable clothes. It'll be my first time doing anything like that, like in person. I've always sort of seen it on videos and stuff, but so I'm kind of nervous, but I think it's gonna be really cool. And it's in a place called the Luna Center, and I love that name. So they do a lot of cool things. I'm gonna head back now. Oh, I think I just saw a firefly light up. Super cool. Oh yeah. Let's see. How many of you used to catch fireflies when you were younger? we would catch them in jars with like holes, of course, so they could like, you know, not die, and then let them go. But we would take them inside really quick and like close, say, the bathroom door and like turn the lights off and see the jar light up, and then we would let them go. Oh, there's another. That might have been Eva, but I'm not sure. There's also a bunch of people having a birthday party not too far and outside at the pavilion. Or some kind of party, I'm not sure if it's a birthday. In a moment, I'm going to pause and maybe take some breaths with me. Actually, you know what? There's this cool stump. I think they had to cut this tree down, but they kind of made it into a seat, which is super cool. Let's see if I can get up. Oh, this would be cool to do a close session here. So wherever you are, just try to be in this moment, enjoy this nature, and take some breaths with me, and breathe in, out. I just realized maybe I should, and breathe in, and out. One more, breathe in, breathe out. I just realized I didn't even show you guys me yet. Get back to the playground without falling off the stone. Okay. Alright, so let's walk back this way, maybe do a few more breaths as we find a beautiful tree. A little sort of a swampy thing here. Also, this week I plan to do another write with me. It won't be automatic writing since I'm not comfortable with that. If you've seen that video, I'm not comfortable with that yet because I'm not experienced at it. But I want to do a longer one, and since the autumnal equinox is really good to do self-reflection, I want to do sort of a, like before and after it. I want to do a write-in with me, with your journal, just maybe have some prompt questions for self-reflection. And we can write together, have some tea, coffee, water, anything. So I think that would be really fun to do. I'm going to say either Monday or Tuesday this week. So, oops, sorry, I'm blocking it. I'm going to turn you back around. If you're gonna be able to see. Okay, the path is pretty bright, so it's getting a little darker for the camera. That's dark in the swamp area. I definitely just heard Eva laugh, and Eva laugh. She just had a fun birthday party yesterday at our pool with her best friend Ellie, who's another just beautiful, beautiful soul who just turned 13. They had so much fun at the pool for like 3 hours, and we hung out with the parents who were good friends. So that was really fun yesterday. I'm gonna show you this beautiful sky. And let's breathe in, out. Breathe in this beautiful nature. Breathe out anything negative or stressful. Breathe in and let out the air along with all negative vibrations and feelings. Alright guys, I'm going to close this video out. I'm back at the playground. Eva's singing. It feels where it's a little dark there, but you can still see this beautiful tree and the sky. And I'm going to do a little swinging, and hopefully this won't make you seasick or anything. So I'm swinging on the swing. Woo! Let me see if I can get. And I'll see you for probably the Write With Me video next, possibly a blue kyanite video. And again, I do offer custom videos and personal card readings. See the description box for information. Hope everyone's doing super well today.